You see that Chrysler badge? It almost disappeared forever. But one unbelievable decision changed everything. And by the end, you'll hear the craziest Chrysler fact that even many car fans don't know. 1. Chrysler was saved by a man who quit Ford. Before Chrysler became famous, it was nearly finished. Walter Chrysler left a top job at another automaker, took over the struggling company in 1925, and turned it into one of America's biggest car brands. 2. Chrysler helped build tanks during World War II. Here's something wild. Chrysler temporarily stopped focusing on cars and built thousands of military tanks during World War II. Those factories became part of one of history's biggest industrial efforts. 3. Chrysler created one of the first minivans. Think minivans are boring? Chrysler practically invented the modern minivan in the 1980s with the Dodge Caravan and Plymouth Voyager, changing family transportation forever. 4. It once built a car with a turbine engine. Imagine filling your car with jet fuel. In the 1960s, Chrysler actually built turbine-powered cars that sounded like airplanes and could run on several different fuels. It was decades ahead of its time. 5. Chrysler nearly went bankrupt, twice. Most brands don't survive one financial collapse. Chrysler survived multiple crises, including a famous government-backed rescue in 1979 and another during the 2008 financial crisis. You think those facts are unbelievable? Wait until you hear about the skyscraper Chrysler built and the secret hidden inside it. 6. Chrysler has its own famous skyscraper. The stunning Chrysler Building in New York City wasn't just named after the company, it was built as its headquarters and became one of the world's most recognizable Art Deco skyscrapers. 7. Chrysler introduced luxury before it was cool. Long before luxury SUVs became popular, Chrysler packed many of its cars with features like power windows, air conditioning, and premium interiors that many competitors didn't offer. 8. Chrysler has been owned by several different companies. This brand has changed owners more times than many people realize, from Daimler to Cerberus to Fiat, and now it's part of Stellantis, proving Chrysler keeps finding ways to survive. 9. Chrysler made one of the fastest sedans of its time. The Chrysler 300C SRT8 shocked people with a massive V8 engine, proving that a luxury sedan could also be a muscle car. 10. Chrysler is one of America's oldest surviving car brands. After nearly a century of victories, failures, inventions, and comebacks, Chrysler is still building cars today. Few automakers have survived such a dramatic journey. So, which Chrysler fact surprised you the most? Comment your favorite, subscribe to CarXperts, and come back tomorrow for another legendary car brand with facts that sound fake, but are 100% real.